Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a quick little weekly haul, affordable one too at that. So I end up picking up some tomatoes, some taco sauce. I picked up some cream cheese, some cookie dough, okay, some cheese, some shredded cheese, okay, sharp to be exact, a bell pepper, and some spaghetti sauce. And I also picked up some onions and creamy chicken, turkey meat there with the noodles. So everything here is all affordable. I'm just gonna whip up a quick meal. When I go to the grocery store, I shop for meals in mind. That helps target my budget and stay on task. So we're gonna be going ahead and whipping up some spaghetti. This is just how I do it. I have my bell peppers. I'm just going to slice them up. I'm going to grab some onions and do the same thing. I'm going to break down my meat, season it up. Now, you can use whatever type of seasonings you like to use on yours. This is just what I so happen like to do. Chop up the onions and bell peppers and put them in the skillet and give them a little stir. And add my lean turkey meat. I favor over the meats turkey and beef. Pork is not a selection that I favor, but I cook it because other family members like to eat it. So I don't, but turkey is just something that I like in mine. Now, you can do ground beef, which I like in my spaghetti too. Sometimes I just want something a little bit more healthier. Your cut of meat, your choice, okay? This is just what I'm going to be doing, slicing up the bell peppers and onions, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them in the skillet pan, however you like to say, and I'm going to wilt them down, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and start the meat to get ready. I'm going to, of course, wrap up my bell pepper and onion in a paper towel. This is just something I learned along the way. I put them back in the refrigerator, and that's pretty much it. If you like, okay, I'm just gonna slice up some and put them in mine and give it a good old Italian flavor. And that's just what I'm gonna do to mine. Your choice, your way. Okay, so here it is, all colorful, and it looks yummy so far. And I'm just gonna let it cook down until all the meat is tender, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the noodles. Okay, so the meat is there and the noodles are prepared, and I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to go ahead and add the sauce, and then I'm going to stir everything up and allow the contents to come together, simmer it down, and serve it. And that is basically how spaghetti is made my way. Simple, easy recipe. You can't go wrong. Add your own seasonings, your cheese if you like, and it should turn out yummy. And I have another haul for you. Now, this is a CVS haul. I went and grabbed there. I was scoping the website to just see if anything was there that was affordable, and I had to grab them. So I end up getting them. I'm so pleased with the purchase, and I wanted to go in there and try to grab some gifts too as well. And these things caught my eye, so here I am. I'm sharing the receipt with you because of course I purchased these things with my own money, not sponsored here, okay? And I did end up picking up those houses. I picked up, what is that? Is that a nutcracker? Yes, that's a nutcracker. Okay, and I did get an espresso set. So these are all the things. Okay, I love how the houses, they do light up. Now I'm thinking once you pull that tape off of there, then it will, light up. But there's the nutcracker. It is made out of wood. I do like that. Like, what would you call that? Like a opaque color. It is a green opaque, I believe, and it is cute. Now I don't know if it will stand up with the nut, cracking, but it was on sale, and I did get those espresso mugs. I think that they're so cute. Now you can drink from them, or you can lay them out as decorations. Okay, so you will probably see them next holiday season. Alrighty, friends, I'm going to get on out of here. Make sure that you check the cards, check the description box or the end screen. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you smash the like button. I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Happy holidays. Bye bye.